Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the very important aspect or very important organs of human body, that is the gallbladder. You might have seen that so many people are talking in and around that this is not an important organ and it's not necessary. If you have any disorders, or particularly gallstone, you can remove this. But I don't know what is the rationale behind that. But I have a question here. Do you think that the God who has created this organ in our body and he is full? I don't think. So the this each and every organs in the human body is very much necessary to their each other different task and the helps each other and the to give the complete body functioning. So now in this video we will see the what is gallbladder, what is bile, and what is the consequences if you don't have the gallbladder, and what is the solution. So now what is the gallbladder? The gallbladder is a small sac or pouch which is hanging beneath the liver and connected with the tube called the duct. So what does the gallbladder do? The gallbladder the holds and stores the bile which is coming from the liver, and it releases whenever required for the digestion system to the intestine. So now coming to the what is bile. The bile is a fluid which is very much and very important for the functioning of the human system, especially to the digestion system. So now what is the function of the bile? So bile balance absorb the cholesterol, and it helps in the absorption of the fatty vitamins, and it also helps in the balancing of the what is called hormones, and it helps in the lubrication of colon. Means colon, if you have the lubrication properly, you will exert properly, otherwise you will end up with the constipation. So these are the importance of the bile. And in any case, if you have the gallstone in your gallbladder, the main reason for this is you don't have the sufficient amount of the bile, or in the sufficient quality of bile. And one of the very important the functions of the bile is it prevents the formation of gallstones. And coming to the gallbladder, what it does, once the bile enters, it increases the concentration of the bile. Usually the concentration of the bile is 5 times more when before it enters the concentration. Means the gallbladder will help to increase the concentration of bile, and it is very much needed concentrated bile for the digestion of the food, especially fat food or fatty content food. So now coming to we saw the bile, the importance of bile. And so now what if you, in any case, if you remove the gallbladder, and what are the, if you are planning, or if you have gallstone and someone is suggesting to remove, so there are the very important functions of the gallbladder, and we will see that one. So first and foremost, it helps in the balance or balancing of the cholesterol. If you don't have the gallbladder, you will not have the balanced cholesterols. The cholesterol is very important, and it's necessary for the human organs, and the cholesterol is necessary for the brain, nerve systems, and there should be a balance. If you don't have the gallbladder, you will end up with having the imbalance between the bad and good cholesterol. And number two, it's very important, and this is it remove the toxins from the body. It helps the bile, the concentrated bile is helps the removal of the waste or toxins from the body, because the toxin enters from the duct, and the bile will help from going from the same duct. And third important point is that it helps in the thyroid. So means there is a T4 thyroid which is inactive thyroid is converted to T3 thyroid hormones in the liver and the gallbladder. If you don't have the gallbladder, and So this conversion will not happen, and you will end up with a lot of long-term the health issues. And number four, the fatty liver. It prevents the fatty livers. The concentrated bile is very much necessary to break down of the fat. And if you don't have concentrated bile, and you will end up with having the more fat in the liver, and you will be facing the fatty livers issues. And fifth point, the if you don't have the concentrated bile from the gallbladder, you will end up with the deficiency of the vitamin A, D, E, K1 and K2. Vitamin A is very much necessary, and it's for the vision. If you have the lack of vitamin A, you will have the lack of vision, and you will not able to see at the night. And vitamin D is as you know that it's very much necessary for the calcium related calcium generation. If the vitamin D deficiency because of any the bile is not available, and you will end up with the issue of the bone. And the same thing with the vitamin E is very essential. It increases the function of the heart, and it increases the oxygen level in the cell to 50% more. So if you don't have the bile, and the function is not going to proper, and you will end up with the deficiency of vitamin A. And vitamin K1 and K2, and vitamin K1 is helps in the clotting, and vitamin K2 helps in the calcium tissue formation, and it helps in the arthritis. And one more important is that if you don't have concentrated bile, you will end up with not having the omega-3 as well. So these are the very important the aspects which the human body needed. But if you remove the gallbladder, you will end up all these issues. So by any chance, if you don't have the gallbladder, the what is the solution here is you have to take the supplement lifelong. There is no way. And so if you have any gallbladder stones, and you are planning and you for the surgery of the removal of the gallbladder, or do the surgery with the removal of a stone, here I have the suggestion here. So the gallbladder stone issue my wife had, and to the extent even I had. So we removed these stones by natural way, a natural process, just by eating some food and following the process. And there is a natural solution exists. You can make use of that before trying to go removal of your gallbladder. Just blindly don't believe, because every organ is important in your body. So I hope that this video is helpful and this information helpful. So please watch, analyze yourself before taking any decision. And yes, you can contact us in the below mail ID. We are happy to help, and we can share our knowledge, wisdom. And because we got the result, and we faced that problem, and we applied the natural therapies, and we got cured from the root, and we can help in the same manner to you also. So thank you for watching once again, and share this video so that this can there are so many people, they can make use of this information and knowledge. And also comment if you have any questions, and if you want help, please drop mail to the below mail ID. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.